Hey y'all, this is a glass cutting tool, mainly for bottles. So what I like about this is that it's easy. Basically, you throw your bottle on here. You can move this forward or back for however short you want it or long you want it. And then this right here, you move up or down depending on the in part of the bottle to keep it from moving. And then this right here is where it actually scores the bottle so you can cut it. So once you put it on, you just basically roll it. It creates a score mark and then it'll just break apart. It also comes with a bunch of different tools, an extra blade, cleaning cloth. These are the rubber bands that you'd put around the bottle so that once you're done cutting it, if you need to run it through hot or cold water, it'll make a really even split line so it doesn't break down the bottle. It also comes with 2 sandpapers. It is a great product. I definitely recommend it.